This is your girl, Esther from Estelunisexhairandbeautysalon, based in Swindon on Commercial Road. So today, I'm going to give you a tip how to maintain your old wig. I've had mine nearly 4 years now and it still looks good as new. So I need to protect my hair and my edges from any kind of pulling and the glue. So I have to put a wig cap protector on first. And because my hair is more relaxed, so I can put it on without not showing any bumpiness. But normally if you go in natural hair, you can put in a cornrow so that you can get it nice and flat underneath the wig. So as you can see, I've got my wig now. I'm trying to fit it on. I've got a band in the wig to make it more secure so that it doesn't fall off. Some people might not prefer having the band in, but to me, the band really works out for me. It makes it more tighter to where I want it to sit. So I'm going to use my glue, which I've got the got2b glue. You can use any glue of your choice, which is up to you. But I prefer not to sleep with my wig cap. So at the night time, I take it off. So when I use the got2b glue, I tend to take it off during the night time. So it's easy to just sprinkle a little bit of water on it and it's easy to come off. That's my choice, but you can choose any glue of your choice, guys. So whilst I put the glue on, I'm going to tie a band on it to make it stick down for about, let's say, 5 minutes or 7. And that will be kind of easy to stick on. Then it will look more of a natural so that the lace bit doesn't stick out. So this wig was made by me, which it came as a natural straight hair, and today I prefer having a bit of wave in it. So I'm going a bit wavy today, which I'm loving it already. I'm loving this hair because it's proper human hair. And one thing, guys, having a wig cap, if you have a quality hair, it stays long and it lasts long. It doesn't shred at all. When brushing your wig cap, you always have to brush it from the tip to the root. The reason why doing that, you don't want to create any knot in the hair, because when you create a knot in the hair and you try to pull it, that's why you brings a lot. You have a big of chunk hair falling off, and you don't want to have such thing in your hair or your wig cap. So treating your own wig cap like your own hair. Brush from the tips to the root, and basically your hair will be lasting long and stay as you want it. And as you can see, guys, this hair is my love of the day. I love it and I like it. Just flow wherever you put it. So now it's coming to the end of the video. I love you, but I have to leave you. And remember once more, brushing your hair always have to be from the tips to the root. Your own hair, a wig cap, treat it nicely and it will stay long. So do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to me. If you want a customized wig, the way to contact me will be in the description below. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye.